Katrina, so we're hearing there's somewhat of a delay when it comes to expanding, I guess, the capacity here. And there's some concerns this might have to do with data privacy and government regulations. What do we know?
Yeah, that's right. So we've heard that while Tesla continues to have the full support of local government officials in Shanghai, the issue is higher up than that. There are concerns among central government officials in Beijing about data and privacy concerns. Specifically, they relate to having a US company with connections to Elon Musk's Internet from Space initiative, Starlink, having such a large and expanded presence in China. Now, Tesla's cars aren't equipped with Starlink equipment yet, but if they were, it would allow people to bypass China's Great Firewall and browse online freely. This also comes at a time when tensions between Washington and Beijing are running, quite high, and there's also been growing public resentment toward Tesla. Last weekend, angry Tesla owners swarmed some showrooms in China to complain about missing out on another round of price cuts. And as early as back in March 2021, Tesla cars were banned from Chinese military complexes and housing compounds over concerns that there was sensitive data that might have been collected by some of the cameras that are built into those vehicles. So this Phase 3 expansion is on hold for now. We're hearing that could still change pending further guidance from senior government officials. So if those concerns fade or assuage, then Tesla China expansion could still get the green light.
Katrina, how big of a setback is this then? And what does it really mean when it comes to Tesla's Asia ambitions?
Yeah, well, Asia is a really increasingly important market for Tesla because it's where a lot of the growth is coming from. We heard earlier this week that there are early stage plans for a factory in Indonesia that one day, could produce as many as 1 million electric cars a year. And Tesla's been opening showrooms in Korea and Thailand, and from its Shanghai factory, where it typically makes around 700,000 cars a month, many of those are exported to other parts of Asia. When we've heard with this Phase 3 that's been put on hold, that phase would have involved a significant amount of additional construction and land, and ultimately would have brought output there to about 2 million cars a year. Tesla's China factory is already responsible for just over half of the company's worldwide output. So any ratcheting back of expansion there is likely to have quite a large impact.